YouTube, it has been a while, and for that I do apologise. But I'm sure some of you noticed in the later videos that we put online, my belly was getting bigger and bigger. It wasn't just cake, it was a baby. So in fact, I gave birth to our daughter a year ago, so now we have 2 children. It's certainly not been off of work, that's for sure. I was back to work after 7 weeks after having our daughter. It's been incredibly busy, but it has meant that something has had to give. And during that time, unfortunately, it's had to be our social media and mostly YouTube. The reason mainly for that is, of course, all of these beautiful videos that you see so far have been recorded by my other half, Knut. He's a professional videographer, and that's why they look so good. However, one of us has had to look after the kids, so both of us being out at the same time, we have no childcare. Our parents aren't around. Like it's us. So it's very difficult. Having spoken to some content creators and friends of mine that are blasting out videos left, right and centre, they said to me, Hannah, perhaps relax a little bit on the quality of the content. It's okay to just upload video content from your phone, like just show people your day. And I think maybe I've got caught in this trap of wanting to deliver the best possible that we can for you. Of course, we're perfectionists, that's what we want to do. However, we do totally get as well that perhaps it's helpful for you to come along to a shoot with us. So I've been doing that a little bit in the background. I've been trying where I can to record content as I've gone out to shoots for clients, real jobs. This is not anything staged, but that in itself I found a little bit of a challenge at times as well, because me, first and foremost, I make my money from taking pictures. I am a working photographer. So for me to try to take things along with a phone and sort of set something up with a phone and film it whilst I'm trying to deliver for a client, sometimes it's been a little bit tricky. So do give me a little bit of grace on the video content, guys. I'm trying to learn and get better each time that I do it. There's been a couple of things as well that I've also picked up over this sort of past year, some being 2 bits of software in particular that come to mind that have really changed my workflow and how I work. And it only seems right to sort of share that with you and see what you think, and perhaps it could help you too. But more videos to come. I promise we're going to get into it. If you've got anything that you want to see in particular, that you want to know about, or anything that comes to mind that you're struggling with that you'd like us to cover or you'd like me to cover, then do let us know in the comments below. But just wanted to record something here to just say hello. I'm back. We're back. We will be putting up some content whenever we can with 2 kids on board. But yeah, hopefully we'll be seeing a lot more of you guys. It's nice to be back.